Hey there everybody, Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations, continuing on with another video with the World Builder series. Before we continue on, I do want to provide a brief shout out for my Patreon supporters. If you would like to join that group, the link is down below. Additionally, if you would rather just thank me for my time and provide a little donation, I do have a Buy Me a Coffee account as well. Link below as well. I said that a lot this time. So now there's going to be quite a bit of homework for you guys because we only have one biome. The way I work, and you can do it however you want, is I use biome for the surface stuff and then dirt and cliff. If you want to, you can have surface 1, surface 2, surface 3. It's really up to you. It's about your naming convention. But I do biome 1 through however many I use. Additionally, for things like paths and whatnot, I still keep it a biome for simplicity's sake, because I never know how many biomes I'm actually going to need. I shouldn't say never. A lot of the times I don't, and if I have to add more down the road, it would look ridiculous to have biomes 1 through 5, path 1, path 2, and then biome 6, 7, 8, because I realized I needed more. So to keep things organized, I just keep it all as biome. Again, if you want to keep everything as surface, you can. Now, when it comes to cliff and dirt, because they have a specific role and they always stay the same, I do have cliff and dirt instead of biome. Obviously, you can use them, and paint layers have the cliff painting where a biome or a surface usually is. Again, simplicity. I like to keep things organized in a specific fashion for myself. It's about finding what works best for you. So, what you're going to need are at least, we'll say, 5 biomes or surfaces, or whatever you decide to call them. And then you're going to need 1 cliff and 1 dirt. And I'm going to show you what you need to do. First thing you'll want to do is open up Google Docs or Word or whatever software you choose to use for all of this. I'm going to use Google Docs, and what we're going to want to do is open this up, hit Control A, deselect the output. You don't want it, you don't need it. Do Control C. I spam it a few times because sometimes it doesn't take for some reason. Come into your documentation, Control V, paste it all. Awesome. Now we're going to hit Control F, Biome 01. Every instance of Biome 01 has now been found. And I want to change them all to Biome 02. Replace all. Control A, Control C a few times. We're going to come over here and duplicate to have a biome 2. Open it up. Delete all of this. Control V. Now it all says biome 02. And when you click on the groups, it also says biome 02. So quite literally, you now have everything set. Hit save. And it is now officially ready. If we come into this right here, and we were to create a layer, have biome 1 and biome 2 hooked up, when we come into our instance, we would see biome 1 first, and then underneath it, biome 2. So that's what you need to do, is you need to organize and set these up how you see fit. Again, having one named dirt and cliff really does help, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. If you don't name 1 dirt and 1 cliff, then I would suggest having 7 that are biome. And in the next episode, we will um, create our auto material so that slopes are slopes, dirt is dirt, the surface is the surface, and then get some debug stuff built in so that we can easily see what we're working on when we first attach the material to the landscape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.